already cleared. Now let's go and see how to do a corrected version of this. Okay, now this is a corrected version. So what's the corrected version is doing? Instead of using a or and operator, I have changed it to a or operator. Let's see how this becomes true, how this works. The or operators truth table says if one of this, if this is true or this is true, one is true, one is false, or both are true, whatever the condition, at least if one of them is true, the whole thing is considered true, unlike and both have to be true for it to be yes. Whereas or, if one is true, the entire thing is considered as true. Okay, that is why now I have replaced it with a or instead of the and. So let's dry run through this and see. Remember again, or truth table says if this condition or this condition is true, the entire thing is considered as true. That means it will go through the yes. So let's see, right? So we have the screen and the age variable. Let's start. Go here, show, enter your age. So it displays that. Come here, enter age. Enter your age. So we type a number, 15. Okay, the same number. Earlier it said this is not eligible. So let's see how this works. So we take that age into the age variable from here. Now we go to the next line, which is the condition. Now the condition is going to check this. Age less than 16 is true. If 15 is less than 16, no, age is 15, right? So age is 15, so 15 is less than 16, true. Age greater than 65, age is 15, not greater than. So this is false, but this is true. So since I have used or, if one is true, the entire thing is considered true. That's what I was trying to tell you. So because it's the entire thing is evaluated to true, it will go through the yes side. And whereas if you had put and, because this is true and the other one is false, it would have come down to the no side. So now since we have used the or, it goes into the yes side because this one is true, even though this is false, one true in the or is enough. So it's considered true, we come to the yes and show eligible. It says eligible. So if 15 years is eligible, is less than 16 is children or children eligible, no problem. And then you come to the end and terminate. So that is for a 16 value. Now let's try boundary value and see. Okay, boundary value means let's say 16 and see, and then we will also try 65, some value between and maybe a higher value. Okay, so let's try 16 this time. You have this. Okay, you start, enter your age, get age. So you type 16, age will take 16. Now we go here. Now 16 according to our condition should be not eligible. Why? Because below 16 only eligible, or greater than 65 only. Greater 65 is not eligible, 16 is also not eligible. Okay, so let's see. So is age less than 16? No, they are equal. So if it is equal means this is false. The condition says age is less than 16. Age is not less than 16, no, age is 16 itself. They are equal. So this condition is false. Or age greater than 65, age is 16. It's not greater than 65, no, so that is also false. So both are false. Therefore, at least one should be true for it to become true. So since both are false, it is no, false. Comes to this side and says not eligible. So 16 years is not eligible. Below 16 only eligible according to our system, and that is happening. No problem. It says eligible and then terminate. So 16 it says not eligible. Fine. Below 16 only eligible. Right? That's what our NSChat should do. Now let's do something in between. Screen, age, you start, enter your age, and this time we are going to enter, say 25. 25 means something between 16 and 65, somewhere in between. So this 65 will be taken by the age variable will become 25. Now we go to this condition. So since we are used or in this, either this or this should be true for this to be going through the yes side, right? So let's see. Age less than 16. Is it less than 16? No. This 25 is more than 16. Age greater than 65. Age is 25. Is it greater than 65? That is also no. So this is false, this is false. Therefore, the entire thing evaluates to false. So you go to the no side and say not eligible. 25 is not eligible. Fine, that's fine. 25 shouldn't be eligible. Eligibility should be for only people below 16 and above 65, according to our NSChat. right? That's what is asked of us to do now. So this is fine. Now let's do another one, 65 and see. If you try the 65, enter your age, get age, right? Now we're going to type 65, this boundary. We tried this boundary, a value 15 also we tried, somewhere in between also we tried. Now we are trying 65. So this will be taken by the age variable, and then you go to the condition. So now both have to be, at least one has to be true for this to come through this side, okay? So let's see, is age less than 16? No, age is 65, no, it's not less than 16. Age is more than 16, so this is false. Age greater than 65? No, age is equal to 65. So this condition is also false. This is saying age is more than 65. Age is 65 itself, so it's not more. So therefore this is also false. So this is false, so the entire thing is false. So it comes through the no side and say not eligible. Fine, that's what we want, right? 65 also we don't want to say eligible. Anyone above 65 should be only eligible. So now let's try one of that as well and see. Okay, upper eligible limit. So you start, enter your age, that comes on, then you go here, get age. So now you type a number, this time you're typing 70, which means more than 65. So 70 will be taken by the variable age, so this is 70. Now we go to the condition. So here what should happen? If either of this is true, then this entire thing is considered true because it's a OR. OR truth table works like that. At least if there's one true, the whole thing is considered true. If everything is false only, it becomes false. Okay, if both are true, it's true anyways. At least one of that is true. Either this is true or this is true, also it will be considered true for the OR. Okay, so let's see. Is age less than 16? No, age is 70. 70 is less than 16, that is false. 70 is a big number, not less than 16. So this is false. Then we check this. Age greater than 65. Yes. Age is 70. So 70 greater than 65? Yes, 70 is a bigger number than 65. This becomes true. So even though this is false, this is true. So one of that is true. The entire thing is considered true, and therefore it will go through the yes side and say show eligible, and then end. So you see, the small end here made a big difference of how it is evaluating. So be careful. If you don't understand conditions properly still, please go back and check our videos on conditions and logical operators. I think 26 to 28 or something like that. So watch that and try and understand that. If you have some problem with that, put that in the group and clear it. Because when you're doing these NS charts, you need to figure out what sort of conditions you have to put there. Should it come with the end or not or whatever. So for you to understand that and make it, and when the condition is written, a complicated condition is written even, that entire thing should, if becomes true only, it will go through the yes side. If this entire thing is false, then it's going to go through the no side. Entire thing doesn't mean all, according to the end or how it evaluates. So go and watch those videos if you are not sure. Right, so that brings us to the end of this. I hope you understood this. If you have some problem, just rewatch this, and if you still have problem, please put that in the group. Okay, thank you very much.